What's up, y'all? We're back. We got some of these smash burgers that we made with some baby Swiss. We're gonna stick them on some Hawaiian rolls, and then over here with the flame we got going, we got chopped up potatoes wrapped up in foil with some honey cinnamon butter. Apparently it's steakhouse butter, but it's gonna be good. We're hoping this turn out to be good. We would be doing it over coals, but we got those cooking logs this time because the place we get wood from around here ran out, and it's very hard to find wood around here. But we're gonna enjoy some of this, so I'll see you guys on the other side. Rain's here, pouring down rain. But it's okay because we got the tarp on top of the tent, and so far no leaking in. I'll keep you posted if we get wet. What's up, guys? We're at the Devil's Bathtub. Wow, we're walking there. It's a walk. You can park up there in there, but there's a lot of big divots in the ground to parking where the path starts. And if you don't have a truck, I don't recommend it. Might bottom out or something. But there's a parking lot down here for the tub that you can park in, but you gotta walk to get to the trail. But we were informed by a couple of people that are swimming in the creek back there that came here. Big old tree fell down in the path. You can't get around it. And they said it's a big tree and you can't get around it. So we can't get to the tub. We're still gonna walk it to see what they're talking about and how it looks and if we can get around it. So they said they called the rangers or whatever. They're supposed to come cut it today, but if we can find out how to get around it, we will. If not, no tub, but we'll keep you posted as always. Here we are, Devil's Fork. Attempting to go to the Devil's Bathtub. Let's hope that we can find a way around it, but those people said they couldn't find any way around it. They tried. So, we'll see. Just still walking to the tub. We haven't hit the trail yet, but just thought I'd film this horse. He's following us. Come on. He just wants to get in the tub with us. Come on. Alright. This way's the tub going to the trail. And if you go this way, it's like a scenic route. And it goes way up the mountain. There's like 90-degree turns on like mountain steep hills. We've taken it one time. And holy crap, hold on to your seats if you take it. And then we discovered there's an easier route the whole time, instead of taking the scenic route, but it was fun. Drop-offs that go hundreds of feet down too. It's crazy. But we're entering the tub. This is where you can drive up. There's a parking spot up in here. It's a little ways back to start the trail, so we're not even at the beginning of the trail yet. We still got a little walk to go. But as you get back here, the dips get really bad for a low car. So I park in the lot back there and walk it. I'll see you when I get to the trail. We made it to the parking lot where you can park if you want to walk the trail. I mean, if you want to drive up into the trail. The trail starts up here and then goes that way. I haven't came across that fallen tree yet, but we're working our way up to see what's going on. Some information before going into the tub. 2016 to 2018, there were over 100 search and rescue missions on this trail. Nearly 4 per month. So it says hikers not being prepared for this rugged trail and serious injury or being lost or stranded after dark. It's a 7-mile loop all the way around, but we're not doing the whole thing. We're going up to the tub and this waterfall. And you're going to cross over 10 streams, more than 10 streams. They used to have a sign a long time ago that said 16 streams you cross with crossbones on it, letting you know, warning, you're entering at your own risk. But that sign is no longer here or has been taken down or lost over the years. I've been here, it was over 6 years ago since I've been here. So we're gonna continue on. That's just to keep people from driving up here. Alright guys, we found the tree they were talking about blocking the trail. They said there was no way around it. It's really in the trail, alright. Somebody's supposed to come chop that down today. They said they're coming out today to unblock it. But we found it. It's really in the trail. You can't go that way. It goes off to a drop off into a creek. You can't really go up and around. And it's a big tree. But, wow. It's a fresh one from the storm we had yesterday. We had some pour down storms. Oh yeah. This tree, getting through that sucker, it's thick in there. It's big. It's like, yeah. I don't think. What a joke. What a joke, guys. What's up, guys? We didn't make it to the tub. We tried scaling. Multiple trees have fallen on that trail, and you can't get through it at all. We had a group of 20 come in, whole flock with kids, like 6 adults. They tried to, and they couldn't get scale. We couldn't scale because there's a drop off on one side, and there's just no getting around. The tree was massive. We sat there for a good 30 minutes. We were, even the other group that came in was there. They looked every angle too. They were trying to find a way around too. We were gonna see if they could get us through as well. We failed again. That was our key to turn around. They should be chopping that down today at some point, but we don't know. But they're back there. They all parked in a big van. We gotta walk. So, on to the next adventure, guys. I'll see you there. We're at a small overlook just off to the side of the road here. We're heading down to Knob Tower. I decided to stop and let you guys see what I'm seeing. Small overlook, side of the road. Oh, it's gone! Alright guys, we're walking up the high knob right now. Knob Tower. And we crossed another bear. Well, it crossed us on the road this time. We're kind of like, it was running in front of us for a while. I didn't get my phone out in time, but my dash camera did catch it. So I will piece that in here off my dash camera in the video as well. That's 4 total bears we saw in this one trip. The high knob's up there, and that's where we're heading. We're going up now. Here's the view on the way up, all the way around. Pretty amazing. Going around the bend. This is where we're going. We should be going to Flag Rock next. Not too far from here. If we make it there, I'll be sure to show you. But this is Knob Tower. You get the mountain views. It's amazing. As far as you can see, nothing but mountains. Parking lots down there. .360-degree angle all around you. All mountains. Beautiful. All right, y'all. We did make it to Flag Rock. We're here. It's right up there. We got a little bit of Sasquatch going on here. The high knob should be right around the corner. Alright, before we get to the overlook, guys, we got the rock formations down here. Pretty cool. That go down. That's awesome. Made it down here to the rock, guys. It's pretty cool. It goes around. Alright guys, I scaled the rock. Doesn't do justice on the camera, but if I fall, you won't get this video on both sides. If I fall, it goes down both sides. So I'm going to scale back down and go up to Flag Rock. We made it up. Some stunning overlooks here, guys. This is beautiful. Let's go see what's on this side. We gotta find the flag, guys. Might have to scale down the rock again. I think the guy said it's down there, maybe. But it comes off. The flag's down there. Right there. I found the rock, man. We gotta scale down to it. See that flag down there in the distance? It's on top of a rock. You're supposed to be able to get down to it. It's called Flag Rock. Amazing. We're in the cave, guys. Where you get the holes, look out. Hold up.
I can hang out right here for a while.
Yeah.
Get the holes. I can't get in there. Somebody's over there.
Behind me, I can't go.
I'm coming out.
Alright. We're still making our way towards the flag, but this is just the dead end. Where it gets narrow. It doesn't go to nothing, but it's pretty cool. We're on our way. Couple caves and stuff. We went in. There's one I'm gonna catch on the way back. We're going down. See you there. Peace out, guys. We're still on our way to the flag. But check this beautiful view. Right off this cliff. The flag's over there, guys. We're going to it. Beautiful. Fall down, you're gone. But look up. The flag is flying, boys and girls. Here we go. Flag we go. I'll see you there. Just right around the corner. This is the closest you can get to the Flag Rock. I just got some knowledge by an elder gentleman, an older one, that he said back in the days they'd scale these rocks and they'd get up in them, but he fell down and he was hanging by his feet. It was a miracle that he lived. But he said right here is the sweet spot to get to it. This is it. You can hear it waving. It's amazing. Alright, we got done with Flag Rock. Now we're scaling this cave here. I was on the side of the mountain over there. One slip, you're down the mountain. I was around the bend and everything. And if I would have slipped, I would have fell, but that was fun. Really fun. Wow, look at this. That's cool. Just look at that rock. It is jammed a wedge right in there, and it's off the ground. That's crazy. This is cool though. I'm gonna take you all the way with me this time. See what we're getting into here. Lots of people been here. So this goes around. I don't know where it goes. This whole place, you're scaling rocks and stuff, so it's pretty cool. It doesn't go to nothing in there, just... Yeah, people screaming over there. It basically circles around. That's awesome. I'll see you guys where we end up next. That's cool. Guys, check this out. This is a campsite you can camp at. It's more of a primitive camping. There's a higher end. This is the higher end with a view. Then you got the lower end, and it's back out in the mountains. We crossed the barrier coming into this place. It crossed over on the road. I got that on film. I'm gonna put that in the video too, but it's on my dash cam, so I'll have to film it from that. But amazing. If you camped out here by yourself, since it's more primitive, there's only a couple sites here. Then the lower end's down there, and there's a lot more sites down there. Nobody's on them right now. You'll definitely, most likely, get the bears on your side at night at this place. So if you like the thrill, this is it. This is beautiful. And check it out, y'all. Get out into the nature. This is amazing. I got some knowledge from an older man about Flag Rock, and he told me some stories and stuff as well. So it's always good to sometimes talk to some locals or people that's been around and have done this stuff before. Never know what they're going to tell you. But this adventure was amazing, guys, and I don't know what we're going to do after this. But if we get into anything else after this, I'll be sure to film it. If not, I'm probably going to end it right here. So I'll let you have the view while we end it. And guys, I will see you next time. See you on the other side, and just remember, it's always right around the corner. Peace. I forgot to show you the bear clip crossing the road, so here it is on my dash cam. Shoot. He just crosses into the weeds. We passed them, and it looks back at us, and that was it. All right, guys, peace out, and I'll see you in the next one.